The FDA is fast-tracking methods of fighting this coronavirus outbreak.
I've directed the FDA to eliminate outdated rules and bureaucracy.
Thinking about the FDA matters more now possibly than ever, because we're seeing firsthand how the red tape of the past has sort of hampered our ability to be fully prepared to deal with a crisis like COVID-19. There's an understanding that maybe the processes that we've been following for the past 50 years are outdated. Maybe they're too slow.
Typically, when you make a vaccine, the length of time it takes to make it on average is about 15 to 20 years. With this COVID vaccine, the goal is to make it in 1 to 1.5 years. Typically, 1 or 2 companies will try and make a vaccine. Now you have more than 70 companies. You have more than 100 different vaccine strategies that are out there for how to prevent this. You're putting billions of dollars into this process. That never happens. So the FDA is certainly involved in this process. And ultimately, they have final say.
The FDA has cleared a phase 2 study for their coronavirus, their COVID-19 vaccine. So this is 9 days later that they're receiving approval for doing this. That is super fast.
The vaccine strategies that are being used that have really risen to the top are strategies that have never been used to make a vaccine before. We're going to learn a lot from this.
The lessons we're learning during COVID-19 about speeding up bureaucratic processes so that we can get innovative treatments to patients faster. Those lessons are evergreen, so that hopefully what we see coming out of this crisis is a very different FDA, an agency that focused on empowering patients and empowering doctors to get the right treatments and get those treatments as soon as possible.